the 2012 Kia Sedona. This 7-passenger van is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. The following features are included: front and rear air conditioning, remote keyless entry, rear wipers, and a split folding rear seat. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.